This compact GZ GUOZHI 140A MIG welder combines flux core, stick, and lift TIG functions in a single versatile machine, making it suitable for a wide range of repair and fabrication tasks. The synergic control automatically balances voltage and wire feed as you change amperage, so dialing in a smooth, stable arc is straightforward, even if you are not an experienced welder. It handles household 110-volt power and is designed to tolerate common voltage swings, which is very helpful when working in garages, barns, or older buildings with less consistent electrical supply. Despite its small footprint, it supports both common flux core wire sizes and can run typical welding rods up to roughly 1/8 of an inch, with the option to weld stainless steel using a separate lift TIG torch. Built-in safeguards against overheating, excessive current, and voltage issues provide welcome peace of mind during longer sessions, especially when you are pushing the machine near its upper output range. The lightweight body, integrated handle, and included gun, electrode holder, and ground clamp make it easy to carry to job sites or outdoor repairs without needing extra accessories right away.